Is immigration interview just a formality? How to avoid common mistakes and what to expect at a green card interview. Contrary to the belief of many people, an immigration interview to confirm that your marriage was entered in good faith is not just a formality, and you should avoid going to the interview unprepared without sufficient evidence of good faith marriage, so-called bona fide marriage. During the interview, the immigration officer is tasked with checking, among others, that no immigration fraud has been committed, for example, by entering into a fictitious marriage for papers only, or by giving false information to the immigration officer. Immigration fraud detection procedures have tightened considerably in recent years, and immigration officials have very broad access to information about a candidate for a green card, including information that the applicant provided when applying for a tourist visa and/or entering the United States. It is customary that at the interview, the immigration officer may also ask you a series of questions about your relationship and if you have brought any new documents with you other than the documents that you already sent with your initial green card application. This is usually a chance to supplement the paperwork if you initially did not have enough documents when submitting the petition. In the eyes of the immigration authorities, photos from a wedding and a marriage certificate alone may not constitute sufficient evidence of a bona fide marriage. It is expected that, as a minimum, a bona fide married couple should be in possession of other documents, confirming that they live together, for example, a joint rental agreement or property deed, joint utility bills and other services, documents confirming joint finances, for example, statements from joint bank account, credit cards, joint insurance, joint vehicle titles, joint tax returns, and many photos taken on various occasions and dates, other than wedding pictures. If a couple has almost no documents confirming that their marriage was entered into in good faith, and not for the purpose of obtaining an immigration benefit, the immigration officer may separate the spouses and refer them to the so-called Stokes interview, at which the spouses will be asked a series of questions about their marriage, and the officer will then compare their answers to see if they match. The immigration officer may also decide to postpone the final decision to allow more time to review the file and investigate the couple. You can even expect home visits and telephone contact from the immigration office. If you entered into a marriage in good faith and need assistance with the immigration forms, gathering sufficient documents and preparation to the interview, I recommend that you consult an experienced immigration attorney. I am attorney Agnieszka Piasecka, and I offer flat rates on immigration applications. This information is provided for educational purposes only and does not constitute or replace legal advice.
I am attorney Agnieszka Piasecka. I was born in Poland, immigrated to the United States, obtained my green card, then my United States citizenship. I have experienced the United States immigration process firsthand, and I have the knowledge and experience to assist you in obtaining your green card and United States citizenship. I speak English, Spanish, Polish, and Italian. I can help you with your immigration process and accompany you to your U.S. citizenship and green card interview. For immigration assistance in New Mexico, please call 505-603-0079.